Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Ram 3500 dually. First, prioritize safety. Always park your truck on a level, firm surface and engage the parking brake. Place wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground, opposite the side you plan to lift. Gather your heavy-duty hydraulic jack stands, and your truck's owner's manual. Ensure your jack has a sufficient weight capacity, ideally at least 6,000 pounds. Next, it is crucial to identify the correct jack points for your Ram 3500 dually. Always refer to your owner's manual for the exact locations. Generally, for the front, you will use the sturdy frame rail behind the front wheel. For the rear, place the jack under the axle housing or a designated frame point. Avoid jacking on suspension components, the differential cover, or the fuel tank, as these are not designed to support the truck's weight. Now, let's lift the dually safely. Position your hydraulic jack squarely under the approved jack point you identified. Slowly raise the truck until the tire clears the ground by a few inches, allowing enough room for your work. Once lifted, place two sturdy jack stands securely under the frame, close to your jacking point. Gently lower the truck onto the jack stands, ensuring they are stable and properly supporting the vehicle's weight before you begin any work. Finally, it is time to safely lower your Ram 3500 dually. First, ensure all work is complete and all tools are clear from under the truck. Slightly raise the truck with your hydraulic jack, just enough to relieve pressure on the jack stands. Carefully remove both jack stands from under the vehicle. Then, slowly and smoothly lower the truck completely to the ground. Once fully down, remove the jack and the wheel chocks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.